That's the way to go. So generate listings and don't just get the listing. You got to work them. You know, that was, I'm glad you guys are working this weekend, that you did Friday, we did Saturday, we did Sunday, and Felicia, tonight you're doing again. That's what we need to
Oh,
be
that's
doing.
awesome. Yeah.
That's what we need to be doing, because, you know, the week before, nobody wanted to do it. And it had a whole weekend that nobody did an open house. And it's a little disappointing from the broker's standpoint that nobody wants to do an open house. But even for your own sake, the fact is, I can tell you over and over, we've all had experience. Vicky just walked in the door.
Hi, guys.
And Mrs. Barada, we have a great story. Their first couple of days in real estate, I had a listing. And I let everybody come to the open house. Vicky was there. She was in Donna's class. And everybody took turns doing open house. Every buyer walked in. Nobody bought the house 4 weeks in a row. And they were getting a little discouraged. And we went out to Rye Playland. We went to a nightclub there. I took everybody in the office out. And
Probably only like 10 of us
yeah. And I said,
at the time.
I told Donna and Pat, I said, you guys got to do open house this weekend. They went, open house. Really? Again? So I said, okay. And there were 2 people in the office. And I said, anybody want to do an open house? And Adam put his hand up. Adam's an architect. He used to work with us. And also John Meehan said, I'll do it. So Adam did Saturday, John did Sunday. Saturday, I pulled into the driveway because I didn't leave the open houses there. I had them in my car. I brought the open houses, and half an hour early, there's a lady standing outside with a pre-approval in her hand. And I said, the guy's not here yet. As soon as he comes in, he'll take you in. And he walked in the door. She put an offer in 30 seconds in. The next day, John came. Somebody was standing outside the same. She put the offer in, and they were fighting against each other. Pat and Donna was so pissed off. And they go, that was my sale. We should have done that. I said, you don't want to do the open house. 4 weeks in a row, nobody walked in the door. The next weekend, somebody came in. You just don't know. You're not realizing the value of open houses. I'm just telling one of my stories.
Really? We have so many
That was
agents
last
there.
weekend. This weekend, we were loaded.
Oh,
This weekend, we were loaded. We had a great turnout. And you had, Ricardo just said you got
Yes.
a good turnout on your open house, right? So, you know, this is big business.
time to be alive. Yeah.
Yeah, this is big business. To have listings that are vacant and available. And my listing is, I'm not doing the open houses. So they're wide open. You could do one 6 days a week, 7 days a week. I don't care. Do them all you want. You should be taking advantage of it. But I'm glad that you did get a good turnout. I'm going to make sure that I mention it to everybody that you had a
And we have a good
fantastic turnout.
feedback from them.
Yeah.
Because one of my, the person who came to the open house, I personally know her, and she said she was impressed.
With what you had and
Yeah, and then even though the investor, she saw the picture, and then she said, "Oh, what is this? Like a house party? And how fancy!" And then she was so happy. She took a picture.
That you did that, right?
Yes. So and yeah, that's why I told Ricardo, thank you, because make look the company like high standard,
Right.
because we are,
definitely.
and open the market for more. You see people see open
Yeah.
house for rental, just
Right.
actually
And
imagine
the
what
dedication,
you're
if we
gonna
were
do.
doing it every weekend,
Yeah.
that's where we could get business, because they could say, look how dedicated this company is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching our Lunch and Learn. I hope you're enjoying it. When you get a chance, you should go check out this book, Balancing Act. It's available on Amazon. Just Google Balancing Act, Joseph Barada, and it'll come right up. It's available on Kindle. It's available in paperback. Get it, read it. It's not just for real estate people. It's for anyone that's in business wanting to function in their business and enjoy life. Get it, read it. Let me know what you think. Thank you.